Okay, so I missed the day because of rain. Rained pretty good yesterday, but I'm back out here. Doesn't look like it came up too much. And I have worked over there some. I want to work up top over there at some point. But I came back out here to try to finish working this crevice down in here that I started the other day. So I'm going to go ahead and get myself set up. I only got a couple hours, and I'll bring you back on when I got something to show you. Okay, I'm going to bring you back on for entertainment's sake. I did 6 pans out of here. I haven't seen anything yet. I got down in there pretty far. I hit the water line. So that's pretty much a waste of time right there. But this here rock right here, this one right here is coming out. So I'm going to take that, clean it off, and maybe get some more from down out of the bottom of there. And I'll let you watch and see what I get out of it. And so you can see me do that. Let's see how I do it. Maybe not. I think I got this phone pulled the wrong way. Maybe I can spin it. No, that's not going to work. I have to turn the phone around and everything. I'm not going to go through all that. So, I'll set it here. Maybe you can watch. Tilt it, maybe. There we go. Let's see what's happening. Like I said, for entertainment value. It's got a good bit of clay on it. So I'll scrub that thing off. And down in there where it came out of, there's a bunch of clay. As you can see. I'm going to try to clean that out. Crevice like that, if you don't get the whole way to the bottom, you waste your time. A lot of tools you need to do that. It's got some pretty nice flakes of gold on this, out of this creek. Not like a total waste of time no matter what you do. That's easy to try. Regular one tool. Sometimes you got to get a crevice tool. I made this one myself. So as you can see. This thing's got like a spoon on one end and a little pry handle on the other, pry bar on the other end. As soon as you try to scoop that stuff up out of there, we can get at it. Kind of wasting time unless you got a gap to open. once you drop it down in the water. There's any gold in it, it'll sink right to the bottom. When you get down the bottom of the crevice, and you find a hole in the bottom of it, at the water line, it's just going to keep going. It's going to keep going to the bottom. So I'll get what I got out of there. Try to keep some more up. But there's really no point in going deeper into that crevice. You can't get the material out of there. You're pretty much wasting time. And I'm falling off of my crevice down in the hole. And I really don't have a way with me right now to get it out of there. And if there's anything in it, that'll let you know what you didn't get. Now this big rock here is about ready to move. It's not going to happen today. I'm not going to today. Kind of loose, but I don't expect to get anything out of it. Okay. Now you can see I've cleaned it out of there fairly decent. All up underneath there and all. There's still a good bunch down in there. And it's clay. But I'll set you up here and see if this thing will stand. I'll let you watch me pan this mess out. A bunch of clay stuck to that rock, the rock that I got out. If I don't get anything out of this one, I'm going to call it a day. Fill this hole back in. Some at least. I don't know when I'm going to get back out here. Not like I have a plane here. People that own the property allow me here. I don't think they're going to be crazy about me if I keep these holes and stuff. And I normally do fill them in. Clean that clay off those rocks. That gold isn't very often suspended in the clay. There's rock in there. It'll stick right through the clay on the rock. Really got to take the time to clean. A lot of clay on there. Yeah, a couple of specks out of the hole I took this rock out of the other day. We can take a chance. We'll go ahead and clean it off. darnets. Other people call them garnets. I call them darnets. Darnets stuff in this rock. You'll see them in the sand. They can be furry little things. They make sandpaper out of them. We just about pouring the water in my lap. Let's move. Take this out. Bring it up here. Make sure that clay's all broken up. It's not stuck in the ripples. And looks like it broke up pretty good. Gratify it. Try to whip some of that mud out of there. Gives you a better idea of what's in the can. You can see it better. A lot of gravel in that clay. I even brought a snuffer bottle along today, so maybe I'll have an opportunity to use it. Got a nice breeze going, sun shining on it. Surely is beautiful out here. Okay, I don't know if you can see this or not. It's out down to black sand. Down there, that ripple, bottom ripple. And you're getting to run out of daylight soon, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be my last chance. That front stuff out there. There's my reward. I don't like getting this thing anywhere near the creek. Everybody knows I have bad luck with that. If I can hold this thing right without throwing the water in my lap, maybe I can show you a little tiny piece of gold. Right past the tip of my finger. So, I actually did get some gold. But I don't know if I'm going to snuffer that up or just dump the thing in my pond bucket. Because I got a hole to fill in here. And I can always get it later once it's in my pond bucket. So, much as I like being out here and sharing it, it's about time for me to fill this hole in and go home. So, I will see you all the next time I see you.